had that much fun teaching in a very long time, so thank you for that. Thank you for your patience, your understanding. I hope you had a great time and a great experience with us. I wish Michel was here, maybe we'll do a call with him later, but I know he also had a great time with you. If every session could be like yours, we would love it. So thank you very much. We'll cut the pastry, we'll eat the pastry. This is your moment, it's no longer, it's chill. It's super chill. If you have any question about the inside, if you need a quick reminder, you let me know. Everybody will grab a plate, you grab a fork, you come on each end of the presentation table, you grab a bite, you try them, then we move on to the next cake until there is no more cakes. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
As per request, they asked me to savor a bottle of champagne. Every other time, he exploded in my hand. Last session he did successfully, so I'm expecting it fully to explode this time. But this officially concludes the session. Come on up. Pardon?
Votre Noël, il est prêt.
Ouais. J'ai tellement une grosse famille et plein d'amis. Ça va être facile. The winner of the competition, you get the honor of breaking in. Two, one, go! Yeah! In 4 and in 3 each. It's very indulgent. Oh, I thought
Chef photographer, I'm sorry.
Photographer. So you want to try to bend down?
You cool?
Yeah.
You got it?